Don't worry.
Okay, thank you, sir.
The chief of naval staff, let me say clearly, you are not in that meeting, and I stated, if we want bunkering to stop in this country, the security agencies will say, we want you to stop, and it will stop. Because the problem we have, and let the truth be told, so we will know that all of us were working together. Most of the problem we have are illegal bunkering. Security agencies are fully involved in this illegal bunkering. Me and you were good. If you don't want to like me again, no problem. But that's the truth. That is the truth. Civil defense is involved. Army is involved. Police is involved. Navy is involved. Let us tell ourselves the simple truth. Let nobody be beating about the bush. All of us, we owe a duty to see how we can salvage this country. The only revenue, or 80% of the revenue of this country comes from oil. And if we cannot reduce or stop this illegal bunkering, this country is in for problems. This country is in for problems. And so we must work together. We must have synergize to work together to help this country. Now this gunboat is to assist the security agencies in trying to reduce the level of illegal bunkering and other crimes in the state. The other time, the Chief of Defense Staff had a meeting with all of us who are from the oil producing states, and I stated it clearly, and the group managing director of NNPC was there. And I asked, GMD, you are saying that production level has gone up. Good for you. But what has been your support? What has been your collaboration with the government of the state? Nothing. Nothing. NNPC, I hear, is doing roads in other states, but not one in River State, not one. Today, you are commending us that production has gone high, and you want to commend the River State governor, don't commend us again. Come and do something for Rivers people. Come and do something in River State. So, I've given Navy gunboats before. Your predecessors, even when you came to see me, I told you, tell them this gunboats I bought is for River State. It's for River State. Everybody from the oil producer should also buy their own gunboats. Don't carry this our gunboats out of the state. Protect the territory. Reduce the illegal bucket. Look at the suit, so that we will not die of cancer and other ailments. So don't carry our gunboats to say, oh, we want to go to the other side. There's no other side. The only side you have is River State. I can't use my own security fund and buy gunboats, and you want to carry it to another area, I will not agree.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.